Everyone, welcome back to maths class. Hope you all are fine. Students, in this lecture, first of all, we will do third question from the exercise 13.3. So let's start. Question is, in each given figure, a letter of the alphabet is shown along with a vertical line. Take the mirror image of the letter in the given line. Find which letters look the same after reflection. Students, let's take a mirror. First of all, I am going to take the mirror image of this A. Now look. In the mirror, the image of A is same as A. Students, observe very carefully. The image of A is same as A. Look, the image of A is same as A. Now, look at B. The image of B is not same as B. In the mirror, the image of B is reversed. Look, this is the mirror image of B, like this. Look at C. The mirror image of C is reversed. Look, mirror image of C is like this. Now check the mirror image of D. Look, the mirror image of D is like this. Now next, observe the mirror image of E. Look, the mirror image of E is like this. Now next letter is F. Look, the mirror image of F is like this. Next is G. Look, the mirror image of G is like this. Now check H. The mirror image of H is same as H. So this is the mirror image of H. Same as H. Next is I. The mirror image of I is same as I. So look, this is the mirror image. Next is J. Now observe very carefully. The mirror image of J is reversed. Look, this is the mirror image of J. Now, the next is K. Observe. The mirror image of K is reversed. So, this is the mirror image of K. Students, rest of the letters you will verify by yourself, and after the completion, you will observe the letters look the same after reflection are A, H, I, M, O, T, U, V, W, X and Y. Now come to the next question. Complete the following table. Shape, rough figure, number of lines of symmetry. First shape is kite. Look, This is a kite. First of all, I am going to fold it along it diagonally like this. Look. Look. One half fits exactly over the other half. Now open it. Now I am going to fold it along another diagonal. This is second diagonal. Like this. Look. Look. One half doesn't fit exactly over the other half. Open it. Now I am going to fold it along this side. Look. Look. One half doesn't fit exactly over the other half. It means in a kite we have only one line of symmetry along this diagonal. Now the next is parallelogram. Look. This is a parallelogram. First of all, I am going to fold it along this side. Look. No line of symmetry. Open it. Again, I am going to fold it along this side. Look. One half doesn't fit exactly over the other half. It means no line of symmetry. Now, I am going to fold it diagonally along this diagonal. Like this. Now, again we have no line of symmetry. It means in parallelogram we have zero line of symmetry. Next is an isosceles trapezium. An isosceles trapezium is a trapezium in which we have these two sides are equal in length. Fine. Now, first of all, I am going to fold it like this along this side. Look. One half fits exactly over the other half. It means this line is a line of symmetry. Now, I am going to fold it again like this. Look. Look. One half doesn't fit exactly over the other half. It means this line is not a line of symmetry. Again, I am going to fold it diagonally. Look. No line of symmetry. It means in an isosceles trapezium, we have only one line of symmetry. Like this. Thank you and have a nice day.